Today we cleaned this commercial building. I hope you enjoyed the footage and learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, we're at the property site. Let me show you what we're working with, okay? Big building. But check this ground out. It looks pretty whack. Got algae all over the place. Pretty nasty stuff. We're gonna clean that up. And then if you can see all of these little spots, looks pretty gross up there and all the way up there. There's a bunch of like kind of pests up there that's just congregating up there. So we're gonna clean that up as well. Clean up the ground area, a ton of cobwebs, a ton of all this crap. And we're gonna clean it up. So we're gonna make it look good. I hope y'all enjoy this footage and we're gonna rock and roll. Guys, check this out. I wanted to give y'all a tip because commercial properties, they hide their water spigots. You never know where they're gonna be. Check this out. If you got like a little green box, you can put, or you can find one in here and they're gonna come through, okay? So guys, don't freak out if you can't see a spigot on the side of the building because there's always that, okay?
I know, shawty, I met you in the past life. Probably left cause you ain't act right. I suppose I gave you way too many chances and maybe you took advantage. You left me out in the open, destructive and causing damage. And my homie said he saw you with a what's his name. How you downgrade from a baller to a cornball in a month and some change? Half the city know my name, girl, half the city know he lame. Half the city know you mine, so why you acting out of character? Like you ain't been my rider, like you haven't been my slime. And maybe I'm out of pocket, but I got that from you. And maybe I need to stop it, but who better for you than yours truly? I know you always looking for a cop out. Past guy did you dirty, so every night you gon' pop out. Choose to run some game, but how long are you gonna play now? In and out with my love, it gets harder for me to wait now. Told me that you want me, told me that you miss me. Heard you in the city, you ain't tell me, girl, that killed me. Pick up the phone for me, baby, okay? Come pick up the phone. Told me that you want me, told me that you miss me. Heard you in the city, you ain't tell me, girl, that killed me, okay? Pick up the phone for me, baby, okay? Come pick up the phone. Yeah, I get it, I know I can get defensive. You screaming for no good reason, you get a thrill from the tension. You hate it when we apart, we've been arguing from the start. You tell me I'm complicated, I tell you that you too simple. We opposites, but I miss you, I'm willing to solve these issues. But shawty, you know good and well there's been a disconnect. I ain't been the same since I went skimming through a bunch of texts. You was talking to a what's his face, I was trying to get us paid. And you could have been single, I wouldn't stop you. Why you cheat and play the victim, girl, this ain't about you. Why you say you love me and go tell him that you miss him? No wonder you acting distant, I can't stand to be around you. And I used to thank the Lord that I done found you. Now we bring your name up out the shop and we just clown you. And I wasn't lying to you when I said you the one. You was asking for the smoke, I had a black in your lungs. Told me that you want me, told me that you miss me. Heard you in the city, you ain't tell me, girl, that killed me. Pick up the phone for me, baby, okay? Come pick up the phone. Told me that you want me, told me that you miss me. Heard you in the city, you ain't tell me, girl, that killed me, okay? Pick up the phone for me, baby, okay? Come pick up the phone. Why do you love the thrill of always being alone? Did you get used to doing all the things on your own? Heard you in the city, tell me why you busy, why don't you pick up the phone? Please pick up the phone. changed some things when I found out about my little boy. I don't mind the rumors, I black them out like it's white noise. I put the diamond on my wife, I know I made the right choice. I move forward, they move over, I get closer. No closure, no do-overs, that life is over. No funny business, I social distance from all these jokers. The ill intent could kill my infant, I avoid exposure. Lil' bro, I gotta thank you. Growing up fast, are you a young man, ain't ya? Time to tell you about things I hid from you cause of danger. Didn't wanna ruin your innocence, hope you're listening. Make sure that she love you, but she love herself. And don't you hide all that pain, man, it's never good for your health. Yeah, I should know I let it stack up, I don't deal with all my stress. And maybe I'm not good at it, but I'm so good with the pen. Hey, ma. Girl, I gotta thank you. Your son gon' be a father. Circumstances that making me work way harder. Taught me well, my mind sharper. I'm protected, chase the check, but I was always under armor. October baby, but you never let me fall. So for that, I sent this verse. It's like a thank you card. Straight up. Yeah, straight up. Yo, Pops, holla at me. Nah, I ain't forget about you. Just I'm 49, so got a lot to learn about you. Your fears and the things that keep you up at night. Tell me your regrets and decisions passing right through your mind. Dog, you was my Superman, maybe I was your kryptonite. Father, maybe we could talk about it for my seed arrives. Appreciate the sacrifice, you didn't have to make it life. And I'm so sorry it took me so long to realize. For real, I chose love in the weirdest time. For the girl who decided she happy spending mine. Girl, we probably crazy for time knots in the quickest time. They're probably thinking that Mello was such an accident. Maybe not the smartest move, but was the most passionate. Well, nobody else ain't on the road, baby. We was on the road, scared of what was happening. You never had true love before. All of them doing you dirty, they was scheming on the low. But Marco moves so different, that boy always 10 toes. Marco, he been so committed, can tell by the tracks he wrote. Made with a mini-me. Wrote this verse right here so you know how much you mean to me. For real. This for my brothers, I can't leave y'all out. Remember Bryce showed me the ropes on how the girls get down. And James taught me how to relax when I was feeling down. Tristan held me accountable, that's the bro for life. And Brian understood my dreams, I wish he eye to eye. And this for everybody showing love, I see y'all, man. I'm just a man that carry pain, I hope you understand. I hope if anything hits the fan that you still a fan. Straight up.
You can see that. No mud spots. No mud spots. Yes, sir. No mud spots. No algae on the ground. No algae on the ground. It looks really good right there. Yes, sir. The ground looks beautiful. Awesome blossom.
I know, shawty, I met you in the past life. Probably left cause you ain't act right. I suppose I gave you way too many chances, and maybe you took advantage. You left me out in the open, destructive and causing damage. And my homie said he saw you with a what's his name. How you downgrade from a baller to a cornball in a month and some change? Half the city know my name, but half the city know he lame. Half the city know you mine, so why you acting out of character? Like you ain't been my rider, like you haven't been my slime. And maybe I'm out of pocket, but I got that from you. And maybe I need to stop it, but who better for you than yours truly? I know you always looking for a cop out. Past guy did you dirty, so every night you gon' pop out. Choose to rust a game, but how long are you gonna play now? In and out with my love, it gets harder for me to wait now. Told me that you want me, told me that you miss me. Heard you in the city, you ain't tell me, girl, that killed me. Pick up the phone for me, baby, okay? Come pick up the phone. Told me that you want me, told me that you miss me. Heard you in the city, you ain't tell me, girl, that killed me, okay? Pick up the phone for me, baby, okay? Come pick up the phone. Yeah, I get it, I know I can get defensive. You screaming for no good reason, you get a thrill from the tension. You hate it when we apart, we've been arguing from the start. You tell me I'm complicated, I tell you that you too simple. We opposites, but I miss you, I'm willing to solve these issues. But shawty, you know good and well there's been a disconnect. I ain't been the same since I went skimming through a bunch of texts. You was talking to a what's his face, I was trying to get us paid. And you could have been single, I wouldn't stop you. Why you cheat and play the victim? Girl, this ain't about you. Why you say you love me and go tell him that you miss them. No wonder you acting distant. I can't stand to be around you. And I used to thank the Lord that I done found you. Now we bring your name up out the shop and we just clown you. And I wasn't lying to you when I said you the one. You was asking for the smoke, I had a black in your lungs. Told me that you want me, told me that you miss me. Heard you in the city, you ain't tell me, girl, that killed me. Pick up the phone for me, baby, okay? Come pick up the phone. Told me that you want me, told me that you miss me. Heard you in the city, you ain't tell me, girl, that killed me, okay? Pick up the phone for me, baby, okay? Come pick up the phone. Why do you love the thrill of always being alone? Did you get used to doing all the things on your own? Heard you in the city. Tell me why you're busy, why don't you pick up the phone? Please pick up the phone.